So, welcome to you all. Do make yourself comfortable. Ideally, today, sitting upright, either against a wall or in a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Allow your body to soften and your eyes to float closed, and we can begin. Taking a few deep and full breaths to bring yourself into this moment, into this time. Feel the breath as it travels throughout the body. Feel the breath as it releases from your body. Become aware of your bottom as it sits onto the ground or onto the chair. Feel the connection there. Feel your sitting bones rooted. If your soles of the feet are on the ground, feel that connection. Feel the roots from your feet connecting down into Mother Earth. Allow yourself to really connect to this grounding through your bottom or through your feet. As you inhale, drawing the breath up from the ground beneath you. As you exhale, feel this connection extend further down into the earth. Drawing breath up through the soles of the feet, through your sitting bones. And as you exhale, feel that connection between you and the earth grow deeper. Feeling that connection between you and the soil, the ground beneath you. Your roots growing down into that earth, that beautiful, cool, close earth. The roots growing down further and further, expanding out wider, deeper, more roots growing, evolving, burying deeper, extending out wider. Until you begin to become aware of other roots around other people, other living beings connected down into the same earth as you. The breath that sustains you, the breath that gives you life, traveling easily up into your body from the earth, from these roots, and then being given back down again. Feeling the energy, your energy, traveling down into these roots. Earth's energy, the energy of those around you, drawing itself back up. What do you need right now? Do you need more energy, more breath, more life? The earth has plenty to give. If that's what you need, draw it up, draw it into you. Do you have too much energy at the moment? Do you feel highly strung, nervous, can't keep still? Give some of that energy down. Give it away, let it go, release it down, down into your roots and out. Allow it to dissipate out into the earth. Allow yourself to sit in this connection. Allow yourself to be at one. No beginning, no end. Just you and the earth beneath. Allow yourself to relax through the sit bones, through the feet. You begin to notice the very crown of your head, the highest part of you, that part of you that is connected up into the sky above, the universe all above and around you. Like a bright, shiny, ethereal crown sitting right on the top of your head. And that part of you, crown of the scalp, softens and opens. Bright, shining white light connecting you and the universe above. And as this part of you opens so gently and smoothly, you can feel, you can see the waterfall, falling water coming from the rocks above and around you, pouring down in to the crown, into your crown. Crystal clear blue soft water coming from the rocks, the earth above and around you, carrying the energy of Mother Nature and pouring into the crown of your head, flowing down into the head, into your head, flowing down, deep down through the throat and the neck, pouring that beautiful crystal clear soft water pouring down through your chest, pouring down around your spine, pouring down through the ribs and into the tummy. This free flowing open cascade of water falling right the way through you. And as it pours into your core, into your center, into your abdomen, pooling there, creating the most beautiful lake. The water in this lake, crystal clear, so clear you can see the reflections in the surface of the water as it gently moves and undulates with the slightest breeze, with the slightest of motions. The water filling you up, pure, fluid, soft and silky, pooling inside your abdomen, moving, undulating inside you. As more and more water pours down through the spine, all the way down into this beautiful lake. You feel yourself big as the universe with this beautiful free flowing water living inside you. And as the water pools into this lake, you can feel this part of you expanding and growing more and more. Never still, gently shifting and moving, fluid and easy. Not too calm, not too rough. And you can sit here with these beautiful living waters, giving you the power that you need to be you, giving you the softness you need to move and change and be free, giving you the fluidity that you need, giving you the calm confidence that you need. When you're ready, very slowly and gently, give gratitude to the water that fills you, that sustains you, that gives you life. Give gratitude to the earth beneath you. And start to become aware of your own breath once again in the here and now. Gently bringing you back to this time in this place. Gently moving through the fingers and toes and floating the eyes open once more. Thank you so much for joining me and making this experience a strong one. Go with love.